Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to continue on the JavaScript data type strings, and I will cover how to access the length of string and how to access each characters in two ways. And the last one is string is immutable and what does it mean. So now let's take a look at here. If we want to get the length of the string, we can use a length property. Okay, I will show you later how to do it. It's a property, it's not a method. And to access the characters, we have two ways. One is use a bracket and we give a position, which is index. The other one, for people who are familiar with Java, probably we use it a lot of times, is use a chart. Or how do you pronounce this one? I always pronounce a chart. Some people probably pronounce a art, okay? And you give also a position. And the difference between them is if we use square bracket and if we cannot find the character, suppose we are trying to, the length is 10, we give 11. So a square bracket will give undefined. And the chart, this method will return an empty string for us. So let's take a look at the example for all of them, for these two parts, okay? I will create an example from scratch. So here, I decided not string which length. I decided not to create the examples when I'm making the slides. It takes time. Length, and another one is immutable. Okay, this is the snippet I created, but I will use this one. Okay, here you always open the console to see the result. Okay, I will have a script here. Suppose I have a string which is a const, okay, str. Let's use my name, okay, my name. Let's use Miss Xing, okay. And then I will do is, suppose we want to access a length, then very simple, just use my name dot length, okay. And this is a property. In Java, if I remember correctly, because I haven't worked with Java for a long time, Java is a length is a method, okay, but here is a property. Let's open in the browser to see the result. We have to open the console, and here you will get none, okay, because this one is a 4 and have a space, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 8, okay, and have a space, okay. Now suppose we want to ask access the characters. What you can do is doing like this way, my name, and use bracket, and you use index, okay, or position, and the position started with 0. And suppose we can do another one, my name 8, okay. This is one way. We can have another way, use chart at this method, okay, 0. Okay, we can add one more, my name dot chart, and then give 8, okay. Because length here give us a name 9, right? And when we index start with 0, so last character will be 8. So we expect it to have M and G to be printed in the console, right? You have M and G, okay, which M is the first one and G is the last one. And let's see a difference between them. Suppose we have something which doesn't exist, okay. No, this one. -1, okay, and we can have another one, my name, and which is like a 19. We know it doesn't have, right? They should give us undefined, and we can use the same thing, but we use a chart, okay, chart, and here we give -1 and my name dot chart, okay, and we give 19, okay, and 9 is also fine, right? 19. And we should see what? We should see one is undefined, but the other one is empty strings. how to see empty string, we can do something like this way. Okay, and here we at the end we add something here to differentiate. Okay, so here we should see empty string. Okay, see here, it's an empty string here. Okay, and this is one, and we can combine these two. Suppose I want to print each of the characters. What you can do is like this way. How about let's do a reverse of a string. I want to have a reverse of a string of my name. You can do, yes, we have to do a loop, right? You can do a loop, let I, you can do what? From this, I start from the end, which is my name dot length minus 1, right? This is from the end, okay? Then I, which is greater than 0, I minus. Okay, then we can do, yes, we can have another string here, which let result reversed equals like this way, and we can do reversed plus equals. You can do my name, and you can use a bracket notation, which is I here, and eventually you can have a CLG reversed. Okay, let's see. Okay, and you will see it's being reversed. So here you can combine with the length, you can do something. And for this add this one, you can also do what? You can also use a chart right here, the same thing. Okay, chart, and here you can give I. Okay, and let's see. Okay, you will still get the same result. So that's these two parts. Okay, when you get a length, you can get each of a character. You can use a bracket notation or you can use a method as you want, but they do have one difference. When you use a bracket notation, it will give you what? It will give you undefined, but when it have a character, it will chart this method, it will give you empty string. But both of them inside the JavaScript will treat as a false value, because undefined and empty string, they are all false values. So if you use if condition, doesn't have difference. Okay, so next one is immutable. Okay, let's take a look at immutable. Strings are immutable, which is same in Java. Okay, strings cannot be changed in JavaScript. It's impossible to change the characters. Okay, well, let's take a look at an example what is immutable means. Okay, suppose I'm doing another example, const. Okay, let's using let dynamite str equals hello. Okay, and you want to change the characters in JavaScript. If you want to change the values, you can do something like this, right? I want to change the first one to be ABC. Okay, and if string is not immutable, then when we print the string, you can get it, right? You can get ABC ELO, right? Or I just using A, change the first character, but you want to get it, you will still say hello, because the string is immutable. This one doesn't affect anything on the string, just kind of like ignored, as we can see here. See here. Okay, so string is immutable. If you really want to change it, you have to use another way to do that. You cannot do on the original string. You have to generate a new one, then to be the result you want. Okay, you cannot modify on the existing string, because string is immutable. You cannot change it on the original version of the string. Okay, that is what I want to say in this slides, which basically is the length and how to access the characters and immutable. So that's it, and thank you for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye bye.